Hello, I got bored at home, so I'm gonna make this YouTube video. It's a 91 240. I have ISR headers, eBay overflow for the coolant, Mishimoto radiator. Pretty sure this is for a single cam KA. eBay. This is something. Let me check on my notes. I got new hoses for the power steering. What else? GKTECH FLCAs, tension rods, GKTECH RCC Kit, random tein coilovers that I got from a buddy that are blown now. Let's see here. Oh yeah, the ISR braided clutch line right there. That was nice. EGR delete. Kind of has a high idle, but let's see here. I'm not running a thermostat. I need to put one back in. I was getting troubles from that. Let's see what else. I got the GKTECH springs for the transmission from left and right. Forgot what they're called, but I have that in there. I have a short throw shifter. I'll put it in the description which one I have. What else? I have a one-piece drive shaft. Bride seats, they're probably rep, but they're pretty nice. I have D-spec smoke taillights coming in here pretty soon. I think that's pretty much it for this. I have new valve stem seals in there. I have a welded diff. Let's see here. My tie rods are kind of mixed matched. And then I have down in here. I can also go over intake vacuum lines as well in another video if you guys want that. I have new injectors as well. I think that's about it for this. If it focuses, please focus. I don't think it is. That is the car. I have 1% battery on the camera, but I wanted to make a quick little video. Yeah. Got bored, so I thought I should make a little YouTube video today.